It is a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun is shining through the windows. Mr. David and Mrs. Anna are very tired because they worked hard all week. They are still sleeping. But in the hallway, Sam and Lily are awake. They have a secret plan.
Lily, come here. Walk quietly. Do not wake up Mommy and Daddy.
I am walking quietly, Sam. What is the plan? Why are we awake so early?
Today is Saturday. Let's surprise Mommy and Daddy. Let's make a big, delicious breakfast for them.
Oh, yes, that is a wonderful idea. Mommy always makes breakfast for us. Today we can cook for her and Daddy.
Exactly. Follow me to the kitchen.
What should we make, Sam? Should we make hot toast with butter?
Now, toast is too simple. We want a big surprise. Let's make strawberry pancakes with extra sweet strawberry sauce.
Yum! Strawberry pancakes are Daddy's favorite, and Mommy loves strawberries too.
Okay, let's get the ingredients. Lily, you get the flour, the milk, and the eggs from the refrigerator. I will get the big bowl of fresh strawberries.
Here is the milk, Sam, and here are the eggs. But be careful with the strawberries, they are very juicy.
Don't worry, Lily. I am older than you. I know how to cook. Today, I am the chef. Look at these strawberries, Lily. They are big and red. I will put all of them into the blender.
Wow, that is a lot of strawberries, Sam. Do we need to add sugar?
Yes, 2 big spoons of sugar and a little bit of water.
Sam, wait. Did you close the blender? You need to put the black lid on top.
Yes, Lily, I know. Look, the lid is on the blender.
But Sam is wrong. He is in a hurry. The black lid is sitting on top of the blender. Are you sure it is safe? It looks a little crooked.
Don't worry so much, Lily. Watch this. I am going to press the big red button now. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness! Stop it, Sam! Stop it!
Oh no! Where is the off switch? Ah!
Oh my Sam! Look at the kitchen. The kitchen does not look yellow anymore. The kitchen looks completely red. Sam, you covered in red sauce from head to toe.
Uh-oh. Lily, I think we have a big problem.
You don't look like a chef, Sam. You look like a big strawberry. Mommy is going to be so mad.
Oh, my stars! What happened here? Is that blood?
Wait a minute. It smells like fruit?
It is not blood, Mommy. It is Sam's special strawberry sauce. The blender exploded.
I am so sorry, Mommy. I am so sorry, Daddy. We wanted to surprise you with breakfast in bed, but I forgot to lock the lid on the blender.
It is actually very sweet, Sam. Good job on the sugar.
David, look at our son. He has red hair now. The kitchen is a total mess. There is red sauce everywhere. Sam looks terrified.
He looks like a giant fruit, Anna.
Yes, a giant sticky strawberry.
Look at his shirt, Mommy. It is completely red.
Hey, I am not a strawberry. I am a chef.
Okay, we had our laugh, but now look around us. We have a very big job to do. We cannot leave the kitchen like this.
Hannah is right. If the sauce dries, it will be sticky forever. We must clean it right now. Sam, you are the chief of the cleanup crew.
Yes, Daddy, I will do whatever you say. I caused the mess, so I will clean it.
Excellent. Let's get our tools. David, go to the laundry room and get the big yellow bucket and 4 clean towels.
On my way, Captain.
Lily, you are small. You can wipe the lower kitchen cabinets with this green sponge.
Okay, Mommy. I will make them shine.
Sam, take this big cloth. You and Daddy need to clean the walls. And David, you are the tallest, so you have to clean the ceiling.
Oh dear, my arms are going to be very tired today.
Hey, Daddy, look. This wall is yellow again. The red is gone.
Good job, Sam. The ceiling is almost white again, too. Just one more spot.
Look at my cabinets, Mommy. They are cleaner than before.
You are doing an amazing job, Lily. Thank you. It takes exactly 1 long hour of hard work, but finally, the kitchen is finished. After 1 hour, the work is done. The kitchen is clean, shiny, and smells like fresh soap. The red strawberry monster is gone.
Wow, I am more tired now than I am on a Monday workday.
Me too, David. But look around. The kitchen looks beautiful.
But, Mommy, my stomach is making a loud noise. We don't have any strawberry pancakes.
Yeah, the strawberries are all gone. They are inside the dirty bucket now. I ruined breakfast.
Hey, look at me, Sam. You did not ruin anything. You wanted to do something sweet for us, and that makes me very happy.
She is right, son. And guess what? We don't need fancy pancakes. Look inside the bread box, Anna. What do we have?
We have fresh bread, butter, and some strawberry jam.
Yay! Bread and butter is my favorite too.
Let me help you toast the bread, Mommy. This time I will not use a blender.
Haha, yes, please stay away from the button, Sam.
This is the best Saturday breakfast ever.
Really, Mommy? Even without the pancakes?
Yes, Sam, because the food does not matter. What matters is that we are healthy, we are laughing, and we are together as a family.
Cheers to that. Happy Saturday, everyone.
Happy Saturday!
Hey, we hope you really enjoyed our messy red story today. Accidents can happen anytime, but love and working together as a family can turn any mess into a beautiful memory.
Now, let's see how carefully you listened to the story. Here is our question of the day.
Why did the strawberry sauce fly everywhere in the kitchen? A. Because the blender was broken? B. Because Sam forgot to lock the lid?
Tell us your answer in the comments below. We are waiting for your replies.
If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and share it with your family and friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English Practice for more fun stories.
Bye-bye. See you next time.